You see guys, this is Filipino lifestyle. You know what? This is really good.
Asa sa Maria?
Bunta kada adlaw. Dili 1 week. Dayon mahuman mo. Karon na. There's so
Anong ginalagabayan tungod kay dunay mananagat nga gidagsa ang iyang kuan gabay ang iyang
guide.
guide niya.
I'm 77 years old.
Wow.
A retired teacher from Gabayan Elementary School.
Wow, you're a retired teacher. Hello everyone, it's me again, Sizzy Kelly Travel. So guys, I will show you here. There's a, what do you call this? Like a river. It's like a dam, and this is where Filipino used to do their laundry. I'll show you guys. Yeah, look, there's people here. They're hanging out here. They're having snacks. I just passed them. Naglimpyo mo?
Basura.
They're cleaning, guys.
Sa Gabayan, Lassi, Sikyor.
Okay. Taga diri ra mo? Yeah, they're picking up all the garbage. Asa mo pick up garbage dire dapit?
Kani among MRF
Dire sa barangay?
Na siya dito sa kuan sa Damside.
Damside na aray mo kuha. You see, they're cleaning here, and yeah, they're putting all the stuff here, guys, and somebody will pick this up. That's great. Mga barangay official mo? You're the barangay official. Hello. Yeah. So, mga unta. Bago ako nagkaon. Thank you. Yeah, they're all having that Coke. Taga Maria ko. Maria ko. Ha?
Abi na ko taga Negros ka.
Taga Negros ko. Dito ko ga kuan dito po ko ga kuan kabuk-kabuk. Oh, ga vloggers. They are the barangay official here, guys.
Alam sa vlog, ma'am.
Sizzy Kelly Travel ni, pero main channel man ako ni kanang gisuot. Nice to meet you. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah, so guys, I will show you here. You know, Filipino are really friendly. Yeah, that's a good thing about Filipino. Yeah, just walk or like, strolling all around, and I saw this one. I passed this before, but I don't really like to check here, You see? This is dam. Dam ba pangalan ani te? Dam? Dam. Ay, Inday. Naligo si Inday. Doing their laundry. And this good because they put the garbage here. Oh, you can swim here. Oh my God. Dagang labunon. Magdala niya akong labunon dire. Oh, wow. Maria.
Maria?
Oo.
Oh, maayo kay.
Kaila ming dabing.
Dabing?
Oh. Si dabing. Oh, namaligid. Naslabyan ako. Napalit. Ay, namaligid isda dito. You see, guys? This is Filipino lifestyle. You know what? This is really good.
Asa sa Maria?
Maria, kalunasan na mo. Oo. They're asking where I live. Kantarok A? Ila Padjoy. Dama dito na Padjoy. Oh. So yeah. Sige, salamat. Yeah, this is what they do, guys. Laundry. Ay, muto naman ron. Kada akwan mo maglaba kada bunta kada adlaw. Dili 1 week. Depende. Kada adlaw pa sa labunon. Yeah, they do laundry. Not every day, guys. That's why they have their laundry. I also did my laundry this morning, guys. But I use washing. But yeah, I do manual, you know, just to take off the clothes. So yeah, there's also a Carabao here. Look, you see that? Oh. And then there's another like dam here. The good thing about, you know, when you bring your laundry here, it's just only one wash and then finish. Look at here. Yeah. So that's the what's that, the control? Yeah, they cover it, guys. You see, they open that. If they cover that, this will be full, I think. Yeah. And this also. It's very nice here. Let's go back there. And they also burn a fire there. Unsa orasa mo gasugo dire? Las 8.
Ma'am.
Ah, dayon mahuman mo? Karon na. There's so they start from 8, guys. They start clean from 8 and then they just finish now. It's like 3 hours, no? Tulo ka oras mong nilimpyo? Wow, good job.
Muna uli ma'am kay karon kita gwapa.
Ma'am, muna mong sakyanan.
Buyag, sir.
Mong sakyanan para damsay.
Unsa, barangay official ka din, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name, sir?
Victor,
Victor, nice to meet you.
muna mong sakyanan pag sa barangay. Yan.
Guys, he said that this is the new service from Barangay Gabayan in this area. Banti!
Gabayan.
Kabayan.
Gabayan.
Gabayan. Anong gitawag ni Gabayan? Gabayan.
Gabayan.
Sa una man gud ma'am, ang nganong ginagabayan tungod kay dunay mananagat nga gidagsa ang iyang kuan gagabay ang iyang
Gagayad.
gagayad niya. Gabay siya o kanang kawayan. Gabayan. Muni siya.
That's how they call it gabay. They combine it.
Hiabot siya sa daplin, nga di ay kay di man dito tao nga yano raman niya.
Nanay, how old are you?
I'm 77 years old.
Wow.
A retired teacher from Gabayan Elementary School.
Wow, you're a retired teacher.
And now I'm also a kagawad in our barangay Gabayan.
Nice. How long you been doing
36 years in teaching profession
here in Lazi?
in Lassie.
Okay.
And 12 years in kagawad in Gabayan.
Barangay official.
Barangay official.
12 years.
12 years.
And then 36 years for teaching, yeah? Amazing.
After I retired for 36 years in teaching, kagawad agad in 12 years. Up to now.
Up until now, guys. Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. So, if there's somebody else for help,
We are always ready to help.
always to, like for example, picking up the garbage.
Yes.
You are always active.
Segregating the garbage in our barangay.
That's great.
Kaubat barangay Tanon.
With the barangay tanod, barangay officials.
Yeah. How many barangay official in this area, Gabayan? How many?
One barangay captain, seven
Councilor.
kagawad, councilors, 14 tanods.
Unsa na
HW.
Unsa?
we have also BHW.
What's the meaning?
Health worker.
Barangay health workers.
Barangay
Okay.
Tanod.
I see. Thank you. Guys, I'm glad that I came here just to ask, you know, like what they're doing here. So they just cleaning and of course it's their duty to do that because they are the barangay officials. And also the captain. Where's the captain? I think he left already. He's there. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.